Hi students, welcome to our physics class. In this class, I am going to explain the new topic heat. What is heat? Heat is an energy. Heat of the body. Internal energy of the body is called heat energy of the body. What is internal energy? You know that every body or every substance is made up of molecules or particles. Due to motion or due to attraction or repulsive forces, molecules gain some kind of energy. This energy is stored in the form of heat energy inside the object or inside the body. This is called heat energy. Heat is an energy. Heat energy represented by the letter symbol capital Q. SI unit of heat is joule. There are some other units used to represent the heat is calorie. There is a relation between calorie and joule. 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules. Approximately we can say 4.2 joules. 1 joule is equal to 0.24 calorie. Here there is a relation, we can make 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules or 1 joule is equal to 0.24 calories. We know that heat always transfer from hot body to cold body when two bodies are contact. When two bodies are contact, heat always transfers from hot body to cold body. Now, what is temperature? Temperature is defined as measure of degree of hotness or coldness of the body. It is a parameter to measure or to express the degree of hotness or degree of coldness of your body. Generally, we think that temperature is a heat. Generally, we think temperature as heat, but it's not a heat. Temperature is a different quantity, measuring quantity. It expresses the degree of hotness of body or coldness of the body. Definition: temperature is defined as measure of degree of hotness or coldness of the body. SI unit of temperature, kelvins. There are some other units used to measure the temperature. They are Celsius degrees and Fahrenheit degrees. What is the device used to measure the temperature? Thermometer. Why we are using thermometer? It is clearly visible. Inside the thermometer we can take a substance, mercury. It can expand easily for heat energy, and also we can see through glass tube clearly, and glass tube is divided into divisions, and we can see clearly the temperature. According to temperature, the expansion taken place in the inside the thermometer. The mercury expands as per the heat of the substance, and mercury will not stick to the walls and it is not evaporates. So that is why we are taking mercury as substance inside the thermometer. Yes. Now different scales. We discussed about different scales. Kelvin, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius, generally divisions are made, 100 divisions made on the thermometer. That is, starting point is 0 to 100 degrees. 0 is freezing point of the substance and boiling point of the substance is 100 degrees. Water freezes at 0 degrees and boils at 100 degrees. So Celsius scale divides 100 divisions, 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. Now Fahrenheit scale same 0 degrees as 32 degrees of Fahrenheit degrees and 212 degrees of Fahrenheit degrees. Here freezing point represented by 32 degrees of Fahrenheit and boiling point represents with 212 degrees of Fahrenheit. Then total between these two 180 divisions, that is Fahrenheit scale. Now Kelvin scale, just 0 degrees freezing point represented by 273 kelvins and boiling point is represented with 373 kelvins. Now what are the divisions? How many divisions between them? 100 divisions. Beginning is 273, that is 0 degree Celsius equal to 273 kelvins. 100 degrees Celsius equal to 373 kelvins. Now how many divisions? 100 divisions made to Kelvin scale, made in Kelvin scale. This is the SI unit of temperature, and Fahrenheit and Celsius scale are other units using in our daily life. Now we also convert the scale one form to another form. How to convert? By using formulas. There are three formulas. One is how to convert Celsius degrees to kelvins. If you know Celsius degrees, just add 273, then it convert into kelvins. Celsius degrees temperature, just add 273, then it convert into kelvins. This is one formula. Second formula, if you know Celsius degrees, how to convert into Fahrenheit degrees, degree of Fahrenheit. There is a formula. Degree of Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 into Celsius degrees plus 32. By using this formula, Celsius degrees convert into Fahrenheit. If you know Celsius degrees, 9 by 5 into Celsius degrees plus 32, it gives the equal value of Fahrenheit degrees. Such a way we can convert the temperature Celsius to Fahrenheit by using this formula. One second formula, Fahrenheit degrees is equal to 9 by 5 into Celsius degrees plus 32. Another formula, there is another formula. If you know Fahrenheit, how to convert into Celsius? To find out Celsius from Fahrenheit, Celsius degrees is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus Fahrenheit degrees minus 32. 5 by 9 into Fahrenheit degrees minus 32. By using all these formulas, by using three formulas, we can convert temperature one form to another form. Thank you for watching.